Hello, welcome back. It's Justine again. This is a video in a series of videos showcasing the functionality of Desire to Learn by Brightspace as a learning management system. Today what we're going to get into is we're going to use the question library that we created in previous videos and the gradebook items that we created in previous videos, and we're going to create a quiz using the question library and then link it to one of the gradebook items that we created before. So the way that we're going to do that is you would go up to your navigation bar at assessments, you would click the down arrow and you would click on quizzes and exams. Now I'm already at the home page for quizzes and exams, so now I'm going to click the blue button titled New Quiz. I'm going to name my quiz. I'm going to go ahead and name it Week Number 1 Quiz. No category. The quiz is empty, so I'm going to say Add Edit Questions. All right, so now this gives me the option to either create new or import. We're going to import, and we're going to say Browse Question Library. Now, if you only wanted to use some of these, you could select at random and then say add, but since we want all of them, we're going to go ahead and click them all, and we are going to say add. All right, now we are done editing questions because we've already, well, actually, let me edit the values of this one because I noticed that my points value isn't right on it. So we're going to change that point value to 4. We're going to say save. So it's pretty easy to, if you notice something like that. Now we're going to say done editing questions. Now we're going to go in here and we're going to edit some of the settings that we have. One of the things that we want to do is we're going to shuffle the questions at the end of the quiz. Okay, let's say save here. Okay, so that's it for this one. Let's go into restrictions. Okay, we want to change our status to active. It's an active quiz. It has a due date, it has a start date, and it has an end date. We want to display it in the calendar. And then for some of the security options, we're going to leave those as is for right now. We're going to enforce a time limit. And then we are just going to go ahead and save right here. And then we're going to just kind of continue to move through these tabs and see if there is any other things that we need to edit. Okay, and under the assessment tab, we're going to go ahead and allow attempt to be set as graded immediately upon completion. We're going to link this to the week number 1 quiz grade item that we created earlier. We're going to allow it to automatically export the grades to gradebook. And we're going to say that they have unlimited attempts. Okay, and the last thing on this page that we're going to do is for overall grade calculation, we're going to say an average of all attempts. Then we're going to say save. There's nothing under objectives that we're going to change. Let's go and look at submission views. So we want to go ahead and change this default view right fast. Okay, and so at this point, we are going to say, so this is what happens after the student submits their test. We want to make sure that it says that the questions are not shown, and we want to make sure that it shows the attempt score and overall attempt score, and then we're going to say save. All right, so that's all that we're going to do for this. So now we're going to go ahead and say save and close. And you see that we have a quiz here. So that's it for this video, but stay tuned because we have more videos coming evaluating Desire to Learn by Brightspace as a learning management system.